Hey guys, this is going to be a basic walkthrough of Etsy, basically how to navigate and the different components of your shop page. So this will be your home button. That's how you get back to this page here. Your favorites, your shop manager, and your basic shopping account is where you will purchase things from Etsy, like your receipts and things like that. So let's start with shop manager. So we'll walk through a few of the most important things that you should know about your shop managing. So this will be your total views for your shop. This will be the amount of listings that people viewed, your orders, and your revenue will be down here. So new orders would be things that came in that you haven't seen yet. In progress orders are orders that you've basically accepted already, but they are not shipped or sent to your customer. This is the amount of listings you have active, expired listings, and sold out listings. So let's go ahead and go to your listings page. Your listing page is where all of your ads are. Basically those things that your customers will see. It'll show you exactly what they see when they click on your shop page. So over here to the right is the status of your listings. We kind of briefly touched on that just a few seconds ago. So your active listings, what you're working on in progress, will be here under draft. Expired will be things that you haven't renewed yet or let expire. Sold out will be things that you've made customized or things that you've made that you only made one of. And things that are inactive are things that you've taken down. So here's basically how it will look on your end. So the star means the items that are featured. So when someone clicks on your page, on your shop page, they'll see the items that you have lit up here. As you can see, some of the things are not lit up. Some things that sells probably better are the things that you want to feature. Under the settings tab, you'll be able to click view on Etsy. And this is how your customer will see your items. So they'll be able to add a cart, add to cart, ask questions. They'll get a basic overview of the item. If it was handmade, how do you purchase it? If you accept gift cards. And then here will be a basic way of explaining the item. I put this disclosure on all of my Etsy ads or listings because I want to make sure that I don't copyright anything. So I make sure to add this kind of disclosure. And at the bottom of each of your listings, you will be able to see your shop reviews. And then there's more information. If it's a download, it tells you how to find it after you instant download it. It tells you what forms of payment you accept, your different policies. All of this stuff is listed on each listing. It also lets the customer know that they can click any of these things to see similar items from other Etsy shops, popular items. And then here's your featured items that we talked about earlier. So it'll tell the customer how many things you have listed, and it'll give them the option to favorite your shop or favorite an item, which is always good because then they can save it and come back to it. one more feature that I want to show you that I think is pretty important. It would be your marketing tab. So they have it set up to where you can add any listing to your social media. You can promote it, which is always a good idea. You can do Google Shopping, Facebook ads, sales and coupons, and key shopping dates, like the days people shop the most. Let's run through finances real quick. This is where you find where this is the account where people, I'm sorry, I'm gonna pull it up. It's gonna show everything. This is where you will find how you pay your bill. This is your bill, and this is your payment settings, like auto pay or auto deposit. That's where you go to check that out. And this is how your taxpayer ID number, which is really important. Make sure that you keep in mind that you have to file taxes if you reach a certain amount. And this is your actual page. So this is how your shop looks when customers click on it, on your general shop and not just a listing. So down here is updates, things that you post here. Customers can view and get an idea of your shop if they don't go through your whole shop. And then it's the whole spiel about the shop policies, digital downloads, payment options, and returns and exchanges. So basically that was just a quick run through of the most important things, and in a later video I will show you how to use those things. Like and subscribe, and make any comments that you guys feel like you could make.